Hi everybody, Jody here and John. You ready to go shopping?
No.
Come on, come on. So today I'm on search of green stuff and a little bit of storage. So let's see what they have. So they've got 50% off storage boxes, which is nice. I think I needed something, but I forgot what I needed. Oh, shoot. I kind of wanted something. Is it for the bathroom? Shoot. What did I need? I need a list. I need a list because I don't remember. Okay, they've got 50% off trays. I was thinking about getting like a cute little tray for jewelry. These are cute too. Everything's cute. That's kind of nice. This is 36. The lanterns, 50% off today. Usually, if it's not 1 week, it is the next week. Just a little bit of a hint.
Taylor to your register, please. Taylor to your register. Thank you.
I love this aisle. This is like black and white stuff. Cute. Oh no, don't. Oh no. Oh no. These are cute. I'll come back Monday and see if it's on sale. I bought that. 50% off. That's cute. Oh, look at these. So that's $48. I kind of like that. Okay, so here's a spring shop, and the spring shop is already on sale. So everything's spring. That's exciting. I'm gonna get 2 of these. These are $5. And they have like all different colors here too. All this stuff is on sale. That's great. Look at for Easter. Really cute stuff. Easter bunny. Aww. Cute. Look at 40% off. Really cute. That's cute.
Yeah, it's in my car. But I'm gonna ask you this. You
They have little. I don't know how much this is. Do not know. Don't know. No idea. That's cute though, right? Starting. 40% off baskets. I'm trying to think, do I need a basket for anything? I think I do, but it's 51, so be what? This would be about 25-ish. This is 40% off spring. And animals are also 40% off. Cute. Oh, the dog. Too bad she doesn't play with that stuff. Ooh, a little scratch tree. So that is 34. Be about 20-ish. I don't know. Oh, that's cute. 90% off. It's 40% off all of the wood items on spring. We got really cute stuff. You could even repaint it if you don't like the color. Oh, I like that. That's cool. I really like that. Okay. So this would be about 25 or so. Oh shoot, they don't have the gray ones left. I was waiting for it to go on sale. If you wait, it might be gone, I guess, but these also come in gray. Okay, here is the spring section. They even have a little corgi, so we have to get that for sure. We'll put him in our bucket. Look at all the cute little things. Here are some bird feeder type items. If they still have those ones, I need one. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Look at this. Oh, that's cute. Which one do we want? Let's see here. So which one should we get? Let's see. The only problem is that the raccoons kind of come out at night, and the squirrels are not very nice either. They tend to eat everything. This is cute. I think I need one of these. Okay. These are darling too. Oh my goodness. They'll probably be 50% off next week. We'll just get one. We don't need to buy the whole store. Oh, they actually have, what is that? I guess these are curtains. Oh, those are cool. We've got little yard decorations. Sweet. So sweet. I can hear wind chimes. Those sound nice. Oh, cute. Look at these. These are darling. That's cute. Spring sunshine. Let's see. We have some really cute stuff. Furniture is usually always 30% off. It doesn't really move much in price unless it's on clearance. Sunshine. Okay, Easter and party decorations, 40% off. Let's see. What should we get? Anything? Cute. Okay, so here is the green stuff. Yay, we found some green stuff. Okay, so you can also buy these and put them in your eBay stuff, like a little thingy to put in there with a little thank you. Gotta get some of these. Do they still have, here they are. They have, let's see, these are tattoos. I thought they were stickers. Stickers would be good, but look at what I found. Hey, headbands. I've seen these before. I've been waiting for them to go on sale. Oh, yay. Look at how cute this is. Oh, they even have little hats. Oh my goodness, everybody. Look how cute those are. Okay, I don't dare wear something like that, but... Oh, this is adorable. This is so cute. That's cute. I think I might need one of these. I think I need one. What do you think? This looks festive. Oh, these are darling. That's really cute. And they have a lot of Easter stuff. I need to get some boxes, and they're kind of in the front, which is weird. Look at these guys again. There's not that much left. We might have to get some peeps. Cute Easter bunnies. These are adorable. And then they've got Valentine's that's 66% off. Kind of a strange number. I don't think I'm going to get any more Valentine's stuff, but I see something maybe for next year. Kind of cute. Let's see here. Well, I liked my Valentine's display and I thought it was so pretty with all the cute little Valentine things I found. I found this at a thrift store and all that good stuff. I do have a lot of stuff in here, I have to say. It is accumulating a little bit. So we're gonna change it up a bit. Ready? And here it is. Here is St. Patty's green. So I found some stuff at Hobby Lobby and I'm going to decorate my desk today. I found this cute little corgi and there's some favorite finds from flea markets and some from auctions, some really old books that I love. My little dollies that I collect. I love miniatures. These great little purses that I like. Some beautiful pieces that I found at auction. So these are some of my favorite little things. My favorite little tchotchkes. There's still a lot here, but I did list some on eBay. So now I'm going to do my desk, and that will be ready for St. Patty's Day.